Good day kwese kwamuri. In today's lesson, toda ku answer that question, but toda ku answer part B because we have already answered part A. But before we go into the question, I have a sincere request. May you please subscribe, like, share and comment so that we can grow as a family, and also my videos edu can be recommended by YouTube and reach other students who might be in need. Question yedu iri kuti, it is given. Saka we want to answer the second part. It is given that log 6 is equal to 0.7781 and log 5 is equal to 0.6990. We want to find the log of 1,200,000. How do we do that? Chatinofanirwa kuziva before we attempt that question. We have to re-express 1,200,000 in terms of 6 and 5. Tofanirwa kunyora 1,200,000 tichishandisa 6 na 5. But mashandisiro atinozviita, tine ma-arithmetic operators atinoshandisa. Tinongoshandisa multiplication kana division chete. We only use multiplication and division exclusively. Kureva kuti, we cannot use addition kana subtraction. Patinoita rewrite 1,200,000 tichishandisa 6 na 5. So manyorero atoda kuita apa, they are not going to be really direct, but anotipa our answer. Manyorero atikuda kuita, we should make sure tashandisa 6 na 5 kana kuti either. Then secondly, we should also make sure kuti the value we have kana kuti the value we get pane zvatinenge tareplacer inotidzosera kuna 1,200,000. What do I mean? Panapa tichanyora kuti log towataisa mabrackets edu aya. Toti 1,000,000 times 6 over 5. So 1,000,000 times 6 over 5, we have satisfied the first condition. Tofanirwa kungoshandisa multiplication, division kana kuti both. Takuda kucheka kana taita satisfy the second condition, kuti zvatanyora mukati memabrackets zviri equal here to 1,200,000. So if we go to our rough paper, tononyora kuti 1,000,000 times 6 dividing 5. Tikati 5 into 5, that's 1. 5 into 10, the 2. And mazero anodzoka. But panapa we now have 200,000 multiplying 6. 6 times 0, that's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 times 2 and 12, like this. As you can see, we still have the value 1,200,000. Saka manyorero ayo manje ndo atinokwanisa kushandisa kureplace 1,200,000 with those particular numbers. Tadaro, we now have to apply laws of logarithms. Ma laws of logarithms atichaapply panapa. Tichaapply the log of a plus the log of b is equal to log ab. To apply futhi the log of a minus the log of b is equal to the log of a over b. But kuapply kwatichaita, it's going to be a mashup. Tichazvibatanidza somehow. Mabatanidziro atinoita ndeaya. This is equal to log 1,000,000 like this plus log 6. So that log 1,000,000 plus log 6 emanating from what is in the numerator. So it's log 1,000,000 plus log 6 subtracting log 5. We subtracted log 5 because iri kudenominator. Saka ndo manyorero tinoita. Log 1 million plus log 6 yabva from the first law, log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Then part yekusubtracta log 5 iri kubva from the second law, log a minus log b, that's equal to log a over b. So having done that, we now have to go to our answer. But there's something else I want to teach you. What I want to teach you is like this. We know that log 10 is equal to 1. We should also know that log 100 is equal to 2. Log 1000 is equal to 3. In essence, tinongoverenga the number of zeros which are coming after 1 kuti tiwane that value. By translation, this means the log of a million is equal to 6. How do we get there? You might want some form of proof. Log 1 million, we know kuti base 10 because we don't have a specified base, and this is equal to x because we don't know what the value is. Then we use that law of logarithms, which law inotaura kuti kudini. That law of logarithms inotaura ichiti the log of a base b being equal to c means b to the power c is equal to a. Sando yatoshandisa panapa. Saka tikaishandisa apo inobuda yakaita sei? Teta kuti 10 to the power x is equal to 1 million. Then we have to rewrite 1 million in terms of 10. It becomes what? 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power 6. Because it is 10 to the power 6 inotipa 1 million. Then kana tine the same base, 10 to the x is equal to 10 to the 6. Zvongoreva kuti x is equal to 6. Kureva kuti log 1 million is going to be equal to 6. So that's a trick which you should know. Kana tina 1 nema0, you can just count the number of zeros to tell you the value of that log. So log 1 million is equal to 6. Let us continue with our working here. But let me remove this kuitira kuti tisakonzeresa confusion. So continuing with our working apple, this means this is equal to log 1 million into 6 plus log 6 subtract log 5, like that. Then we have been told from our question with log 6 ndiani. Log 6 is 0.7781. So this is equal to 6 plus 0.7781 subtracting log 5 is 0.6990, like that. Mazona. Then manje zvadaro tinenge takuti kudini. Tinenge takungosolva this part. So this is equal to 6.0000 add to 0.7781 decimal addition. Kana tine whole number, we have to put these placeholders. 0 plus 1, that's 1 upon 877.6. Then we take this 6.7781, we subtract 0.6990, like that. 1 minus 0 is 1. Then panapa becomes 18, apo becomes 10. 18 minus 9 is 9. Then apo 17, apo becomes 7. 17 minus 10 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0.6. This is our final answer. Yatobuda. Saka ma highlights ezvataita panapa, chekutanga, we should be able to re-express 1,200,000 in this form. Then you should also be able to apply these laws of logarithms apo kuitira kuti ibude. After which it's now just basic arithmetic which takes you to the final answer. But some might ask, and so I will proffer a solution. an alternate solution panapa. What if munhu akauya panapa akagona zvese kumusoro uku, panapa obva ati, in fact, starting from this point, this is equal to chi, the log of 1,000,000 times 6 everything over 5. This can be written as the log of 1,000,000 times 6 over 5. Because 5 inoi and it's the divisor of what is in the numerator. So we can break it down like this. Knowing kuti we already know kuti log 1,000,000 ndiani, this basically becomes equal to the log of 1,000,000 and plus log 6 over 5. Like that. We know kuti saka kuti tiite reach this conclusion tashandisa the law of logarithms inoti log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Then manje log 1,000,000 tatoprova kudhara kuti ndi 6, so apo becomes 6 plus the log of 6 over 5, which we know kuti it's just 6 plus applying the law of logarithms inoti log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. So out up it will be log 6 subtracting log 5. So this is equal to 6 plus log 6 ndo yanzi itsi 0.7781 subtract 0.6990. So pamunosvika panapa apa, as you can already see, stage inoi ndiyo chi stage E. So kana musingadi kuti kuzviita mesh up like matira taitawo, you can break it down like this, but make sure kuti muno isolate 1 nemazero akawanda because ndiyo ine a definite answer, ndiyo ina 6 yatinoziva. Then kunoku fraction yoya kunoku mozoisolva yenyu muchishandisa chi ma laws of logarithms. So you can do whichever two methods up. This is my method 2, that would be my method 1. But if I am to pick for you, if you give me that courtesy, I would pick this one. Learn this one, it's more straightforward. So this is how it's done. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, comment section or directly on my numbers. Otherwise, thank you for offering your attention and God bless.